Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. This is Ali driving in the beautiful city of Islamabad. Today we'll be talking about a topic that is very close to my heart. Many people think that you cannot start investing until you have a lot of money, but that is totally wrong. You can start investing with a very small amount even if it's 1000 rupees. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful drive. And I'll show you how to start your investing journey step by step. The first investment you make is not in gold, stocks, crypto, or property market. It's in your mindset. If you keep telling yourself, I don't have enough to start, you will never be able to start. Instead, you need to understand that the 1000 rupees you invest today will be the seed of your future wealth. Okay, so I'll give you an example. The Pakistan stock market has given an average annual return of 18% from the last 30 years. So if you're 18 and you start investing 5000 rupees per month for the next 10 years, do you know what your return will be after 10 years? It will be approximately 18 lakh rupees. That's a lot of money based on your initial investment of 5000 rupees every month. So if you're focused, disciplined and consistent, you'll see the snowball effect working in your favor and you'll see compounding do miracles for you. Before we discuss the steps involved in opening a stock market account, let us first discuss the perception people have of the stock market. Many people think it's like a gambling den and tell you to stay far, far away from the stock market. This perception is totally wrong. In fact, the Pakistan stock market is the most regulated market in Pakistan. Another extreme view, which is totally opposite to the gambling den view, is that of new investors. They think that the stock market is a magical place where without any effort they will be making a lot of money. Let me tell you from my 9 years of investing experience in the Pakistan stock market. If you do not research well, if you are not disciplined, if you don't focus, if you're not patient, and if you're not in the stock market for the long term, then the stock market will crash you. So you need to get rid of any sense of entitlement that you might have. You're not doing a favor to the stock market. In fact, you're doing yourself a favor by investing in the stock market. Okay, so back to the basics. In order to open your stock market account, the first step is to choose a broker. This can be any of the top brokers in Pakistan. Some examples are AKD Securities, JS Global, and Al Falah Securities. Once you've selected your broker, you need to fill in their form and provide your CNIC and bank account details. After the completion of these formalities, you're ready to go. You can start buying and selling shares from your phone or your laptop. Since you'll be new, I want you to start small and focus on blue chip companies. You may ask, what are blue chip companies? Well, blue chip companies are stable, well-established businesses that have a good profitability, a good cash flow, and they have a habit of paying you good dividends over time. Another important thing to consider is to never invest all your money in one company or one sector. For example, if your total investment is rupees 5000, you need to make sure that you invest in different companies and different sectors. And that, I believe, is the beauty of the stock market. With only 5000 rupees, you're partnering with the best cement company in Pakistan, Lucky Cement. With only 5000 rupees, you're partnering with the best oil company in Pakistan, OGDCL. With only 5000 rupees, you're investing in one of the best commercial properties in Pakistan, Dolman Mall in Karachi. I can go on and on, but you get the point that you can invest in multiple companies and multiple sectors with limited investment. I'm pretty sure the majority of people in Pakistan can invest 5000 rupees. The next step is challenging, investing 5000 or more every month for the next 10 years. Many young adults listening to this would be reluctant to invest 5000 rupees every month. But on the other hand, they would be spending 15 to 20,000 rupees on a pizza party with friends. Or they would be spending 7,000 rupees per hour on playing pedal. Yes, you heard that right. 7,000 rupees per hour on playing a game. No offense, it's a beautiful game and I'm pretty decent at it, but it should be played in moderation. Okay, so we fast forward a few days and you open your stock market account. You're very happy, excited, and you start searching about companies to invest in. While doing so, the whole process might seem overwhelming for you, and then you ask yourself, isn't there an easy way to do it? You will be very glad to know there is. You can invest in ETFs. Now you may ask, what is an ETF? To give you a very simple answer, an exchange traded fund ETF is a type of investment fund that holds a collection of stocks which can be traded on the stock exchange. So when you buy an ETF, it's like buying a basket which has pretty good stocks selected already for you. In the recent years, ETFs are getting very popular in Pakistan. Popular ETFs which are operating on the Pakistan Stock Exchange include Meezan Pakistan ETF, which is Sharia compliant. So for example, when you buy Meezan ETF, your basket of stocks would include Engro Holdings, Hapco Power Company, Lucky Cement, OGDCL, and PSO, to name a few. So if you're busy in your studies, your job, or any other commitment, all you have to do is keep accumulating your ETF every month. That's it. ETFs give you diversity and build wealth for you at a very low management cost compared to mutual funds which have a very high management fees. And unlike real estate, ETFs give you a lot of flexibility. So for example, if you're out of cash, you can just sell your ETF holdings in under 2 minutes. So the bottom line is, ETFs should be included in your investment portfolio. I mentioned earlier that investing in mutual funds has a higher management fee. That's mainly because a professional fund manager is investing and managing your money. So if you feel at the moment you cannot give time to the stock market, I would recommend that you start with mutual funds. You can start investing in mutual funds from 1,000 rupees only. There are around 80 or 90 mutual funds operating in Pakistan. I'll give you all the important links in the description so that you can research about them and then start investing. Another important point I wanted to discuss was that you should avoid scams at all costs. In Pakistan, the majority of people have a shortcut mentality of getting rich, because of which they become easy prey for the scammers. Therefore, if someone promises to double your money in 2 months, just run away. Run away in the opposite direction. You should also avoid betting apps, loan apps, and fake forex trading apps. Stick to regulated institutions, SEP licensed mutual funds, and PSX registered brokers. This is your hard earned money. Please do not waste it. So, this whole concept of investing regularly for the long term might seem boring and simple, and that is why the majority of people do not commit to it. But the stock market history shows that those who commit to it and invest for the long term ultimately double their money many times over in the years they have been invested. And when you're in the market, you get to experience some amazing things. One share of mine doubled in 14 days. Only 14 days. So buy good quality companies, stay in the stock market for the long term, and you might even see some extraordinary results even in the short term. Okay guys, before I go, just remember, you don't need to be rich to start investing. Rather, you need to start investing to get rich. These small steps will help you build big wealth. Also, tell me in the comments, would you start investing in the stock market or would you start with the mutual funds? If you like the video, please share it with your family and friends. Take care guys, see you in the next one. This is Ali signing off. Allah Hafiz.